Hello, everybody. So, yesterday I read the book, Rust book. Um, which one? Not this one, not this one. Tour of Rust, and I'm not sure if I've got everything. It's like I'm not very confident, but I want to try to write something real, not just learning. So learning by doing. So I'm going to write Tetris, and the um, Tetris features. So it should have falling tetrominos, controlling tetrominos, left, right, speeding up tetromino, um, it should I don't know, apply tetromino to the grid, and removing full lines. So like these features would be considered as required for finishing the Tetris game, so not required, right? So it would be speeding up, and game state, scoring, wall, what is it, wall pushing, rotation, right? Controlling speeding up, determine rotating. So there is another thing is centering rotation point. Yeah, so I think as soon as I implement these features in Tetris, I would consider it's good. So let's see. Let's let's ask, did I miss anything? Yeah, Grok is very slow. Two core essential for minimum play things we want. Game literally one function and no pieces after. Playfield grid, 2D grid, visible hidden spawn rows, stores lock places, Driver shapes, rotation, define spawn randomly pick. Auto drop big game loop timer. Oh yeah, speeding up. Auto drop every 0.5 second. Down, speeding up, faster fall and hold. Am I excited for? No, I'm not excited. I actually enjoying the brake. Controlling to the right, left, down soft, rotating, even check validity per state, collision detection. Yeah, collision detection. Apply tetramino to grid, locked and collision. Removing full lines. Scanners clear. Spawning. Apply tetramino to the grid. Spawn new tetramino randomly. What is my comfort food? I don't know. I actually not sure what is definition of the comfort food. Pizza. I don't know. Why? What is the definition of comfort food? I don't know what is. What is the definition of the comfort food? To provide the consolidation feeling of well-being, typically of high sugar or not content associated with childhood of, I don't know. I do not understand. Food that provides either nostalgical or sentimental value, satisfying heartness or home cooking. Nostalgia. I don't know. Scan rows clear. Okay. Let's ask to proofread. Proofread. Okay. Copy. I think how to drop every 0.5 seconds. Control to the left, right. Rotating, soft drop, speeding up the tetramino fall, collision detection, lock tetramino to the grid. Spawn new tetramino randomly, remove full lines, and shift rows down. Hard drop, increase default over time. End game state, scoring, wall kick, center rotation point. Okay, so this is the rules for finishing the game. So okay, rest of the game loops goes here. So let's do FPS. So let's do const FPS I32 equals 60. Happy New Year, yeah. Happy New Year. Happy New 2026 year. No, I did not celebrate. It's like, I don't know. I don't have friends to celebrate. Ooh. Rest of the game loop goes here. So I think we would have a struct called game state. Why are you not happy? Okay, now let's go to the book. Where is the book? Tour of variables, basic type, constant array function, multiple returning nothing, structures. Yeah, why it's not happy? Struct game state FPS as U32. Yeah. Will I ever get the dog? I don't know. My little daughter wants a dog, but if you have a dog, somebody has to take care about dog, and I have suspicion it would be me, and I don't have too much time. I guess then I've got the time, I can take the care of dog. Game state. So we would have a green, which would be. So how we can specify arrays, basic types, basic type conversion, constant arrays. So type and count. Okay, so grid would be grid of grids, and this is height. Type is bool. So we have a grid. Semicolon. Why semicolon? Semicolon. Why semicolon? Spec use as use size. Yeah. So we have a grid. You think cat is easier? Yeah, maybe cat is easier. I don't know. Both, I guess, require some attention. At least you don't need to walk the cat. So this is the loop. We will get game state, let game state, like I think like this. So we would have the function which would draw the game state. So structures, calling methods. It's with the dot. Unit like structures, enumerations. Text object understand what is OP. Implemented method of trades. Building string, formatting string, converting strings. Conclusion, lifetime data types. explicit reference. Calling methods. Where is it? Struct. Generics. Where is it? Yeah, I do remember it was like making the sounds, make the sounds, do something. Can I get it as a book, like a PDF book? Can I get it as a PDF book? Ugh. Too much structures, comments, memory. So generic types, scope-based resource dropping. String literals text. What is OP run? Rust is not OP. It is OP. It is OP. Encapsulation with methods. Okay, impl. Okay, so impl game state. So we can have function draw, which would take self, and also it also takes renderer canvas. I guess it takes canvas. Playground basic types, array functions. Okay, so I take canvas of what? So upper string into canvas build map error to string build. What is the build? I don't know. Into canvas. So SDL canvas, creating the canvas. Windows canvas, creating the canvas. I'm wondering if it would complain. So if I get the game state, said draw canvas, and I need to pass the reference, right? So what it would say, expecting a found add canvas of windows. Okay, so we should put here canvas window, not found in this scope. SDL2 renderer canvas, SDL2 renderer canvas window. Expected 1 of 9 possible tokens. Could not find renderer as render. It's not renderer. Render, and it's lowercase. Not found in this scope. And now we look for window. SDL2 video window, SDL2 video window. If this is dash, prefix it with underscore canvas. Okay. Let's do set draw color. Set draw color. Let's do ×3. Where I supposed to put mutable? Here or here? Then expected type. Where I supposed to put mutable? Isn't initialized. I know. The canvas reference, so that is refers. It refers to cannot be borrowed as mutable. Consider change with to be a mutable reference. Yeah, I put mute here. Okay. The type differ in mutability. Arguments to this method are incorrect. So I have to say as well. Where is it? Mute here. Okay. Let me switch to streamer mode. Always forgetting to do it. Where is it? Streamer mode enabled. Binding declare here, but so I need to initialize it. Structures. Missing green. Expected an array with size of 20, found one with size of 0. Not a value. I do not know how to do it. 1, 2, 3. Let's ask Rust how to create and 2D array in Rust and initialize it with false to the array of bools. Okay. False. Okay. Still not happy. Replace equal symbol with colon. Oh my, it's compiled. It's compiled. Let mute. So to make it mutable. unused mute. I will use it soon. Don't worry. Oh, I can. What? Field in with struct help converter to snake case, non-snake case, non-standard style. Oh, but it's allowed me to compile. Okay. So unused. By default. Okay. So game state dot grid. Let's do 10 5 equals true. Okay, so let's try to draw a grid. So let's see what we can do to draw canvas. Why they call it canvas? It's renderer. Canvas fill erect got render the target with the drawing color. Passional will fill the entire rendering. Okay, fill rect canvas dot fill rect option rect. Let's see if we have fill rect. Oh yeah, we have fill rect new. Okay, so XY. Okay, let's do 100 I don't know, 200 50 50. What about this? Try use SDL to rect. Should be handled. So I guess I like a question mark does the magic. Should return like none. What the results? String at some. What is a standard return signature in Rust? With the error. Result, string, result. Stat error, okay. So it's this one, right? Like this. Still does not compile. Arrow, use arrow. No, it's not error. Implicitly return as its body has no trail or returns expected. So I should now return. No. Oh, I should return okay, like this. Still not happy. Where it says it implicitly return. Yeah, put oh, no semicolon. Okay, compiles. So just maybe okay. So now I need to do for main same thing. So let's do for main like this and put question mark here. Finally. So that's crazy. Nothing being drawn. Game state draw. Ah, so it should be like this. No, I see nothing. Canvas clear, canvas present. Hundred to 50. Set the color. I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work. So let's comment this thing out. No, there is no drawing. Ah. Here. So put it here. I do not know. We don't need this. Now it should be. It should draw. Yes! It's drawing stuff. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. Now. Cell size. So I should probably do cell size -1. Cell size -1. Well, it doesn't fit. U32. Has U32. U32. Okay. Now for let I don't know for let's see how four in. Okay, so in green for cell in row did you have mean to use the self.grid? Oh yeah. So I think I should use zip. I assume I need to use a zip to get the indexes of the cells. How to do it in Rust. Enumerate. Tetris and brain fog. I know the language called brain. What is it? Brain fog, but never heard about brain fog. Brain fog language. Oh yeah, there is no brain. I guess you meant brain fog. Okay, so automotive. I think fuck is alone. Yeah, but yeah. I actually do not know. Yeah, auto mode is enabled. That's true. Enumerate. Row or cell. Y dot iter enumerate x iter enumerate. Method not there. Okay. Enumerate. Oh, it's okay. Okay. And if not cell continue. Can I do it this way? Okay. And we would do x times cell size, y times cell size. U size. X times cell expected U size found. As I52 as I52. Oh yeah. So we should be able to see. Yeah. Let's move it a bit to see if it's where it's supposed to be. Let's put like a multiple. Let's put at boundaries right on 0, on 9, on 0, 19. Yeah, things are looking good. Now we should have tetromino, and I think it also should be struct tetromino. It should be struct tetromino. And should have a type t, which is tetromino type, and tetromino type is enum. So let's see how we do enums. Enum. Okay. So we have I do not remember. I O T J L S Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, I think that's right. Tetromino type X 32 Y 32. I like how you're not relying too much on AI than learning. I need to start doing that. Yeah, but I do rely on AI. Yeah, this actually helps to speed up process a lot. But yeah, I'm not like asking AI to write the whole program, but like I'm asking AI to get one line to help me, right? So for example, I was thinking I have to use like a zipper here, and it suggested me to use like this construct, which I mean, that makes sense. I guess there is like they put the filter internally, which generates. Anyways, Matt programmer, hello, have a nice day. Have a nice day, Matt. So tetromino, x, y. What else we need for? Oh, and rotation. Rotation. Oh, right. Yeah. It's not. Yeah, that's true. It's not useful for learning to run agentic AI. That's true. Let's do I32 for rotation. Yeah, I think it's okay. So semicolon missing. Oh, should not have equal sign. And there is no semicolon. Okay. Now tetromino, and it should be, I guess, type semicolon tetromino type I x 5 y 0 rotation 0, like this. So you might have forgotten to add this struct literal inside the block. Some struct. Tetromino. Like this. Okay. Cool. So we need to implement, so we have impl tetromino, so we need to implement function draw, and I assume it's gonna be like this, but instead of here it should take nothing. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So where we are? Yeah, we need to import tetramino. I think I should. I think it's fine. Yeah. Draw. So let's set the color here. Set the color. Let's make it 4, so it's even brighter. So let's keep it 3 here. Okay, so we should have some like a matching something matching, so they have match something, match T, right, and it's that Romino type. Is it arrow? I do not remember. Yeah, it is arrow, but like this arrow, like Rust. Why you're using all different symbols like this arrow, colon colon, dot. I don't know what else. Inconsistencies like, okay, if doesn't need parentheses, this need parentheses, this doesn't need semicolon, this needs semicolon. If you want to return, don't put semicolon. Like, oh, why? Anyways, determinate type. Colon, colon. Flight check. Flight check disabled, flight check enabled. But it doesn't do flight check. I do not know how I can enable flight check and whatever. I see what okay, so let me have a function which would do draw block, which would do draw block, and it will take the canvas she'll take canvas x in 32, y in 32. So fill rect, right? So instead of this, I would do draw block canvas x y question mark semicolon. Something like this. Canvas set draw color not found in this scope. And we should pass the canvas, which is like a visible abomination. Okay. Much T, you might have meant to use the available field self.t. Unit type. Huh? Expected enum result. Found unit type plus static. Like this. X, Y. Says result box, then error found. Found unit type. Where did it find? What? Hmm. Ah, well, okay. So it was complaining about return. Or return expression. Okay, so I do not know. Do I need static here actually? I don't need. Okay, so I don't know why it was saying expecting static, but we don't need. So let's look at the match. So I guess we put underscore and say error unknown tetromino type. Error, okay. Where is the standard errors? I do remember, but smart pointers, projects and structure, thermology, inline module hierarchy, creating reference, multiple reference, conclude smart pointers, failable main revisit. Oh, it's air. Box colon colon u. Box colon colon u. No fresh air. No fresh air. Unknown tetromino type. Unknown tetromino type. Tetromino type.
Unknown tetromino type.
Display not found in scope. Have incompatible type. Huh? Expected found result. Shall I do it like this? Ah, I should do return, right? Ah. Where is it? I lost it. Implicitly return it is no fall in the return expression. I don't know how I supposed to do it. The explicit return as its body has no tail or return expression. Oh my god. Semicolon. Expected I32 found use size as I32 game state remove mid. Well, it's fine. Tetromino type. Use of undeclared tetromino type. Compiled. It's compiled. Hallelujah. So now we do draw block. I will pass canvas. I think we don't need to pass reference because it's already reference, right? I do not know. X, Y. Self. x self y. Okay. It is nothing. Ah, because self dot tetromino dot draw canvas. Yeah. Let's initialize it with 3. Where is the initializer? So let's initialize it with 3 here. Okay. So we need to figure out how to rotate this guy. I would think I would do 4 p in 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3. P first. P0 P1, something like this. Okay. Now we can rotate it. So let P2 equals rotate P by self dot rotation, and we can do P2 P2, and we can have function fn rotate, which would take P of type what, and like why it's arrow here, like there is a semicolon here and arrow here, like it doesn't make any sense. What type is 01 in Rust? Tuple. Oh, so I see. So just like this, U32, U32, and it's returned U32, I32, I32. Yeah. Rotate P and rotation. So we can have rotate 1, which would do all of this stuff, except it does not take this. And return. So let me look at the code. What is it? Haskell code. Main rotate. So I have a formula. I kind of yeah, so this is the formula. P1, P0, and I think I can do it this way, so I need parentheses though. Yeah. So I think I can do right, and we can do for I in 0 R R equals rotate 1 R R, something like this. No parentheses. Found oh, let's call it red. Okay, so let's see if rotation is going to work. So I'm going to put rotation 1 and see if it's gonna work. Okay, it did rotate. So I'm going to copy paste this and just do 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 2 2 2. I probably could do lambda. It's okay. So let's test it out. E J L TJL S Z. Okay, so T is going to be 0, 1, 2. T. J is going to be 0, 1, 2. So probably I should do 2, 2, 2. 0, 1, 2. 1. And L is going to be 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 2. 2, 2. S is going to be 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. 0, 1, 1, 2. And Z is going to be same, but 2, 2, 1, 1. So let's remove rotation. O T. Okay, J. Okay, L. Okay, S. Z. Okay. I think I want the color to be a bit more prominent. So let's make it redder. 5. Yeah. Okay. So we have tetraminos, they are rotating. Get corns self So how are we specifying arrays? Arrays. So value size, okay. Value size with semicolon. It's like a semicolon, colon. Why semicolon here? Why not colon? Why semicolon? Oh, because of size. Okay, makes sense. Or this. Okay. So much self dot t tetramino type I, and we just copy this stuff, right? So like I'm just going to copy all of these z like this, and we would do, so we don't need any of these. We would do get coords self dot get coords, and no need for anything, any of this, yeah. So should work. Yeah, it does work. Okay, let's see what we have here. Rotating tetraminos, so draw falling tetraminos. Okay, let's do falling tetraminos. Okay, so in this case we need to add impl tetramino game state. So in game state we should add next down tick duration. Is it it's not duration though. Time canvas SDL2 modules audio clipper controller event timer. CPU in 4. Get tick tick. Timer subsystem ticks. Get the number of millisecond elapsed. Timer subsystem struct. Timer subsystem. Video subsystem. Get context video SDL. Get context video. Let timer subsystem SDL context timer. Okay. Ticks U82 U32. Next down tick. Next down tick 0. Next string inflection snake case. Interesting. Wise. Anyways, next down tick. So timer subsystem ticks. Timer subsystem dot ticks. Okay, so let's const speed U52 was 500. Or drop delay, let's call it move down delay. Move down delay. Okay. And the next down tick. And we do if game state dot next down tick is okay. So timer subsystem dot ticks greater. We would do game state dot tetromino dot y. We'll do plus plus to it. Why we cannot do? I don't know why we cannot do. Oh. We need to update next down tick. Move down delay. Next down tick. Why didn't work? Lower camel case, capital underscore, underscore. Get quartz. Display error. Draw block. Variants in this enum are never constructed. Variants what? Are never constructed. I should put the question mark here. Put question mark here. What is this error? Variants in this enum are never constructed. Tetromino type. I do not understand. What is the meaning of that warning? Ah, okay, so I was using only Z variant. Obviously. Anyways. Okay, now it is falling down. MD. Falling tetraminos. Controlling tetraminos, left, right. Okay, so I guess let's me get rid of the error. Around tetromino, and I guess I can use timer subsystem ticks. Timer subsystem ticks around tetromino. So let's have function which takes seed randomness, I don't know, x u32, and it returns back a tetromino type. Okay, and what we would do, we create the array I J L S Z, and then we index it by taking x and getting mod of 7. Actually, let's do it this way. Let all the tetrominos equals, and then we do all tetrominos then something like this. Expected as you size. Oh, so put in the wrong place. So should put it here. Cannot move out here. Move of course because tetramino type which does not implement the copy trait. This is value. Man, that's stupid. Stupid. This language is garbage. Consider implementing clone for this type. You supposed to be able to do things by value. It's like it. I cannot duplicate it automatically to fix copy and clone for simple enums like this, which are just small integer under the hood. The best solution is tell Rust it's okay to just copy, add. Okay. You should be able to understand it by yourself. It's like something is like, oh, look at this, I can do this thing magically. And it's like, nope, I don't want to do this magically. You have to do it manually, this thing. Why? Okay. Fixed. So what we supposed to do next? Controlling tetramino left right. Keycon. Key down. Why there is a 2 dots? What is these 2 dots? Match event quit or event key down keycon event I do not understand this construction. I don't know. Let's have let mood dx equals 0, and key code left dx equals -1. Would it compile? It did compile. Game state tetramino, so we just do plus dx like this. Okay. So moving left and right implemented. MD. Rotating and soft drop. Let mood is rotate equals false. Let mood soft drop equal false. Key down, key up. Key down, up is rotate true. Key down, soft drop true. If soft drop game state tetramino plus equal 1, if is rotate state tetromino dot rot equals plus 1 okay dot md dot md rotating soft drop, so collision detection. Let mood new tetromino equals new tetramino and we would do new tetramino, something like this, right? New tetramino. Yeah, and then we would do if game state is colliding new tetramino what I'm doing is colliding new tetramino. If not colliding, we assign you tetramino. Is colliding. So now we need function is colliding. Impl function is colliding, and it takes self and tetramino and it returns bool. I guess by reference. Tetramino returns bool. Return false for now. Colliding. Colliding not found in this strat game state. Oh, should be in the game state. expected tetramino found tetramino. Tetramino. Potential. Game state tetramino in previous iteration of the loop. Value moved here. What? Does not implement the copy trait. Ah, okay, so we need copy trait for tetramino. And to do this thing, so we just do I guess we can do everything. Ah, it's colliding due to tetramino. Okay, let's see if it's working. It's moving, and if I make it to return false, make it return true. Yeah, nothing happened. So true. So let's check tetramino. If tetramino x less than 0 or tetramino x greater or equal with or tetramino y less than 0 or tetramino y greater or equal height is colliding true. It's less than 0 or greater or equal with. What the heck is going on? Return true. If less than 0, get coords. Hey, he's colliding. For C in tetramino dot get coords. amino plus C0 plus C0 plus C1 plus C1. C1. Okay, so this is working. Now we also check all these cohorts. I guess I can do let x y to be Romino x plus C0 tetromino y plus C1. Right, so we do x y y yeah. Oh, let RC equals rotate C tetromino rot R R. So there is no wall kicking, but anyways. Is colliding x, y, and now we can check game state grid grid yx if return true. Self as you size okay. So is collision is implemented. Lock the tram into the grid. So due to Tramino. So we should check if it's like here if it's colliding, we should apply tetramino and regenerate new tetramino. So game state dot apply tetramino new tetramino. Continue, apply new tetramino, and game state tetramino this thing. So we need to implement apply. Fn apply tetramino self tetramino bool and we should apply all tetramino. Not found in this scope. Game state dot you know, self get chords not found self that oh okay. Okay. Spawn tetraminos. Remove full lines. Okay, so apply tetramino. So after applying tetramino, we should remove full lines. How we can do it? So is it like a last thing what to do? Yeah, it is last thing what to do. I don't know. What would be the easiest way? So I guess we can go from bottom to up and just like recreate new new grid. For y in can we do it this way? So we can go in opposite direction. And we can have let mut yy equals -1. If is not solid line, we would do yy plus equal 1, and I guess let mut new grid equals false and I don't remember semicolon width height solid line new grid yy equals self grid y -1 something like this, and then we go self dot grid equals new grid, something like this. As u size slice indices are type are of type u size or ranges of u size, and what yy as u size as u size. Between primitive types or cursor specific trait. Why it cannot do y? Range u32. I don't know. Let's ask. Oh, I don't need to. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, so is solid line let is solid line equals for c in self dot grid y as u size um, C if not C, return false. Return true. Um, how to do lambdas? Lambdas in Rust. Mm, maybe should be like this. Or I can do like this maybe. Oh, okay. So let's see if it's gonna work. Is solid line if not C, return false, and this one returns true. So if not solid lines, new grid yy equals it's disappearing. Is solid line false. So if I do it this way, oh, it's disappearing. Is solid line false, true, new grid if true, or whatever. So I'll just comment out this stuff. What? New grid. Why this copy is not working? Self grid. Why? I don't know. 0 height. Equals height minus 1 minus y inf. So that would work. Okay. So don't comment this part. Okay, it does work. So I think we're done. I'm not almost done, I'm fully done. I forgot one feature. What is it? .md. Remove full lines. Shift to hold one piece. Oh look, this is required features, this is not required features. Shift to hold one piece. It's not required. Everything what required is implemented. But it's so important. It was not in the list of required features. So I'm done. I'm done, and I can forget about this awful language. How random is piece generation? It's based on the tick. So let me run tetramino takes the tick, then it's this is the tick, and it's takes the model out of the tick, and this is the how it's getting the random tetramino. How fast does the speed gets? There isn't no speed. Hard drop. Increasing difficulty over time not required. scoring. There is no scoring. This is the what is implemented. This is the list of what implemented. Falling, auto drop every 0.5 seconds, controlling tetraminos left right rotation, soft drop, collision detection, locking in the grid, spawn new tetramino randomly, and removing full lines. This is what is implemented. There is no centering. Centering around rotation point, it's not implemented. So they are wobbly. So if you rotate them, they are kind of... this one is actually looks pretty good. But this one is wobbly, have wobbly rotation. Yeah, there is no upcoming pieces. No scoring, no showing upcoming tetraminos. Now make a song in Ableton. Oh, did you see my my brain rot song? Shorts. Brain rot song.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Stop it. Get some help. Stop it. Get some help. Stop it. Get some help.
This is my brain rot song. Okay, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.